Today I want to share with you a yummy kale salad. So I'm not a big fan of kale, and I decided to try like half a year ago, maybe a little bit more, and I started experimenting different recipes. So I do a certain recipe and my guests love it and my family loves it, so I want to share it with you. So over here I cut up 8 cups of kale, like lengthwise, the same way you cut lettuce. Okay, so that's 8 cups in here. Then you're gonna take 1 whole apple. I usually use a green apple, and you cut it into like this kind of shapes. So you're gonna put that in. Okay, just separate it. Okay, then you're gonna take half a cup of red tart cherries. I'm gonna put it in. So if you're scared to kind of like try kale, this is actually a perfect recipe to try, because all these flavors, the sweet and the sour and the salt, everything together comes together to be very delicious. Then I have 1/4 cup of raw shelled seeds that I'm gonna put in. Okay, then I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of, let me just mix a little bit, apple cider vinegar raw. This is the one that I use. Okay, so let's put in 2. Okay, next I'm gonna take salt and pepper. I always say do it to your own taste, really. Depends how you like it, how salty. So here I just do like the way I usually do it, you know, already used to a certain way. And then some pepper. Pepper also depends on your taste. I don't use too much, but I'll be using it. You have to eyeball it. Depends on how you cook. Okay, and then I'm gonna take, oopsie, sorry. So first what I want to do is I want to mix it, because once I put the oil, I'm afraid it's not gonna mix too well, and the kale is a little bit like rough, so I want to make sure the flavors get in together with my salad. And get it out under, make sure all that is mixed. And then I'm gonna take put 1 teaspoon of olive oil. So this is the one that I use, extra virgin olive oil. So this is, before I forget, half a tablespoon. So I use 2 of these to get my salad. Okay, so let's mix it up. So if you're a kale lover, you will love this. If you never tried kale, I suggest you try it, because I love it and my family members love it. Even my kids love this. That's very unusual for kids to love this kind of vegetables. And let me know what you think, and share it with your friends, family, and see what they think about this. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you for stopping by.